Do I need permission to stop missing you? I surrender me to quit your energy. You've been sending signs knowing they're getting through, sending them on back. What is it about me? How come you can't let me go? 'Cause I've been waiting patiently, and you still got me on my toes. What I'm craving hit me like a tornado. Gotta let me cool, gotta let me cool, gotta let me cool, gotta let me go. What is it about me? How come you can't let me go? 'Cause I've been waiting patiently, and you still got me on my toes. What I'm craving hit me like a tornado. Gotta let me cool, gotta let me cool, gotta let me cool, gotta let me go.
Hello, hello. How are we? You there, Ruby? I see you. I've got a, jeez, my voice is not ready for this. Got quite a devlog here for us. Thought we'd start doing like a video devlog. Make sure it's good before it goes out. We can showcase some of the changes. The music's coming through. It doesn't say it is, but we'll see what comes out the other end on Twitch. Someone's picking up the mic. Yep. Right. Well, we've got Hunter. She's so low. I'm just here to deadpan stare at you for a moment. I'm probably gonna lay low. Music's a bit loud. Thank you, thank you. Is that better? See? Alright. Well, this is a whole like somewhat new setup as well. Got our widescreen, so I've got the dimensions for 1080p, so everything looks alright. But it also means I can see chat, it's actually quite nice on the same screen. So, so we've got the Hunter skill release, sound overhaul, interface improvements, and more. Now that's like a could probably do better with the title. But to be fair, most of it is strung together by the Hunter release, right? So. And obviously we need a image. Ziggy usually makes them. Hopefully he's around to make us a nice it gets kind of gets kind of squished on this this view, but so we got the Hunter skill release, which is mostly in the fouled up area. How do we get there? It is. What's the port there? It's the port just south of What's Cove? That's the one. If Ziggy isn't, I can do them. Yeah, that'd be nice. So, for Hunter, I wonder if I should make this like full screen, or yeah, make this larger, just for like the showcase. So a lot of it should be in here. Boom. Alright, we could do like a few updates on some of these, but that's good. So you start off with the bird snare and the noose wand. The only thing I have left to do is the teasing stick from Larupias, but we're pretty close. We could probably update a few of these to be a bit better. Then it also has like the amount of traps you can lay. So lay 1 trap, lay 2 traps. You can start doing felled up weasels. Not sure whether that should be I guess there is no model for a felled up weasel, right? So that's just gonna have to be the noose wand. And then you got all the implings. Maybe you should add like, I wonder if I can make a way so you can click on it and see their loot. It'd be kind of cool. Let's see if we can fly. Why am I holding this? Oh yeah, I was testing bodies and stuff. So, based on the blog, these are... I think I swear I updated these to have, like, what type they are, but I can update that, right? So, this is how nice we can do. We can quickly come in here and be like, snare, bird, snaring, and then tracking, and then the rest will be bird snaring. Oh, that's... What's the spine rupee? It's called like... Pitfall Track, that's what it is. That'll put the implings in loot or mob commands. Yeah. Loot. Pharaoh's Clue. Be nice to have it in the menu, but we'll see. Bobtails? Kibbits? They, Deadfall Tracker. And Black Lorlocks is butterfly netting. It's a cool thing. So when we refresh this, boom. Blog's instantly updated. So that we can have this tracking. That's what they're all for. That's the name of them all, right? Pitfall trapping, bird snaring. Yeah, okay. And then we also got salamander hunting. These areas. So you most likely start off what? Crimson, Feldip, Tropical, then maybe Swamp Lizards. We'll see what spine. We'll see what Larupias look like. This is the last thing to do, and it's kind of difficult. So whether I'll get them in. Don't worry. Then Bobtail, Black Warlocks. I know that Rigordi was having a lot of fun doing the impling hunting. So we got the hunter level and then the bare-handed. So is this what it looked like? Is this what Rigordi put? I know he was messing around with the formatting. Yeah, the hunter level and then the bare-handed. So you got 17. Maybe we should change it instead of like saying level so many times. Kind of jank, right? Maybe we can swap it around. I mean, it's pretty easy to follow with it just being plus 10, but it's just nice to... Did I add bare-handed into the menu as well? I did. Okay, cool. How have you been, Ruby? Hey, Christoph. Welcome, welcome. How you been? Man, that's a good name to see. I love to see your name, Christoph. So we update now? Boom. So yeah, we just swap them around. I can get rid of some of these colons. Not too bad, Ayo. Yeah, you have an old gang, get back together. Things going well, it looks nice progress, everyone. Yeah. I haven't been streaming as much as I want to, but definitely need to do this more. Tonight's just gonna be a we'll just do the O3 update stuff. I'll work on the rupees, and then maybe another stream with the release or something. Or just working on some other odds and ends. So yeah, you'll just see them flying around. Ooh, Zombie coming in with the prime. Much appreciated, Zombie. Much appreciated. Hearts. Hearts, hearts, hearts. Does it turn into a... There you go. Much appreciated, Zombie. been one of those types of times. If it's not one thing, it's another. Hopefully, you can start getting back to yourself. Yeah, well, if you can hop on once I make the post to test these changes, it would be amazing. Yeah, and zombies being here. Hey, and this is looking good. We'll get a whole bunch of images in this blog as well, so you can like under the filled up hill area, we'll have like an image of filled up hills, some like traps and stuff. Yo yo. Appreciate that, zombie. Every little bit helps going towards the server. Yeah, I'll drag out. Yeah, it's no rush, you know. You know, I never rush you guys. Probably to a detriment. I probably should nudge you guys a bit more, but yeah, it's alright. You got salamander hunting. That one looked quite nice. That's over in Canifus. And then head. Where are we heading? On this way? No, other side. These guys are. I think these guys are looking pretty good. They're down here somewhere. Yeah, here we go. These little cuties. And they'll go into these net traps and oh wait, you guys can't see them. There we go. There we go. So they'll go onto these. You'll be able to click on this and it'll set a net trap. Let's see if we can demonstrate that. Let's push in there. Ooh, go clean that is. Hopefully he'll. There he goes. Come on, you can make it. Yeah. And then he'll respawn. No matter how many traps you can set with the 11. Yeah, I think they're split, but that would have to be something I check. I'll add that to the checklist. Check trap amounts per hunter type. But yeah, you can't currently equip these, so that's like another thing we might have to do, right? Where there's like the whole attack style of swamp lizards. But we do have the throwing axes, which are interesting. Goat A0, hello, how you doing? I'm my voice is a bit off at the moment. Yeah, we got some throwing axes. It looks so small in your hand compared to like the other axe. Oh, wrong one. Wait, that's interesting. If you unequip something, it doesn't merge it. Ah, that's very interesting. Yep, we need to try to get the lizards set up before release. Oh, like the combat? Yeah, we can do that. We'll do that. Add combat lizards. The thing is, can we actually get the paste? I know they have like all different types of paste and stuff, but yeah. Anyways, so Impling, I I mean, I'd have to go find one, which is kind of difficult actually. I know Rigordi was getting them. I don't know how Rigordi found them. Because they can like, oh, never mind. Here we go. So here's one. And look, he goes over the water. It won't have the blue particle. That's just to show them on the test server, because they, how do you say it? They don't show up 5 minutes, right? So after they spawn, so you need to be able to follow them. Yeah, the Rigordi made these implings. They're looking really nice. Do we have the Swamp Tar spawns on Lumby? Should do. Yeah, we do. Okay, so it's fine. Okay, sweet. So we can make like the tars. It'd be a pain to get, but let me get back to Caliphus. Who was that guy? He's looking cute. He's around here somewhere. Oh damn it, I lost him. But yeah, so Impling's looking good. Gordy's done a good job on those. I was also thinking we could do like a random chance to get one as a pet. Kind of cool. Like when you catch one, it could be like a 1 in a 50,000 chance, just to not to like troll people, but you know how it is. It'd just be cool. So go all the way up to Dragon. We're only missing Lucky and Crystal. Crystal, because they're in the Elven place, Craftiness, and then Lucky because we don't have all the Clue Scrolls. Clue Scroll rework, Ruby, getting the tars doesn't make much better without maybe bosses or shades. Shades could be possible, maybe. We have the area. Like, we maybe need a mini quest before though, but yeah. Future update. So yeah, some like equipment info, or what you'll need. Maybe where do you buy? You can buy these stuff, right? You can buy some of this stuff. Where can you like buy? Is it Alex? Hunter Emporium in Yanil. So maybe we just add a little bit about that. Some can be purchased from the hunter shops in Yanil. From Alex Hunter Emporium in see that coming. There we go. Ooh. Well, let's just make sure he's actually there. That would be a tragedy if he wasn't. He is not. Okay. Another thing to do. Spawn in Alec. Let's go see if his dialogue's done. Lejart's coming in? Hey! Dude, all the OGs coming back tonight. Alright, his stuff's already there, so we can... he should be... How have you been, Lejards? Yeah, we're getting close. Let's see if we have a skin for Alec. We do. Okay, cool. But yeah, he's currently not here. We need to spot him, but he should be in this building. Actually, looking pretty nice. Be busy on the new job and taking a break from some games. Hope you're doing fine. Yeah, doing so. Can't tell from the voice, pretty sick at the moment, but... What is going on here? Alec, why are you putting your stuff on the floor? I'll fix that. That's looking nice. Is there any other like models in the floor or something in here? No? Just that one. Alright, you can head out, Ruby. Hey, appreciate it. We'll get you on testing soon and have a good night. If I miss a bit, yeah, I'll do a bit of time. This is just what I could do today. It's day one, alright? Remember that. But yeah, Lejards, hey, if you ever get that urge, old school urge again, RuneScape, yeah, definitely hop on MineScape. A lot of people getting sick lately, and one of these two, yeah. He just got sick 2 days ago, zombie. Hey, we can all be sick together. We'll all be sick together. Yeah, I'm loving these. Anyway, Alec will be in there. I promise Alec will be in that stopper. And before the update hits and he's not in there. Yeah, then we're just saying, oh, it's the last skill. It's a big milestone. Been playing some League in Old School Arrows and WoW? In WoW? Oh my god. Hey. Credit to him. That would just remind me of like EOC with the like key combos and whatnot. If I don't know how they're doing obviously, but kind of crazy. I felt it come and quick. Usually I just wake up randomly feeling like crap. Yeah, mine's sort of like a sore throat, and then just the like full nose sickness. It's 2004? 2004? Like RS 2004? Let me link one of the dev things. Yeah, I can have a look. You got rune crafting improvements, so I can kind of show this. So one of the cool things is you'll be able to see how many like multi-runes you'll be able to do here. So at 99 you know you can do 2 death runes, whereas the normal one's only over here. How can I copy that? I don't know, I should put it on an hour long. Oh wow. Get some better quality. 722 is the best. Okay. It's kinda cool. Like that. Nice, been looking forward to some new updates. Yeah, we got some good stuff coming. Most of like a lot of it's from suggestions as well, and then I'm trying to be more active on the just available. Yeah, now that's looking pretty good. Skipping through that video. It's more 3D, which is kind of nice. Then what obviously MineScape or Minecraft can do. And you actually get like a map and stuff. That actually fits quite well. And why didn't I think of that? It's only in pre-alpha, so I've been testing things out on there and giving feedback. Yeah, definitely. It's always like small community projects. I'm always looking for feedback, you know. But yeah, definitely it fits better. But this is the project we've got, so we're gonna always love this more. No. And then we also have, ooh, that's a big one. So you'll see in here, collab incoming, yeah, crossover. You should also see new combination runes. So this one's big. So you'll be able to cast stuff like air and fire. Oh, I don't know why clicking on it does that. So wait. Oh. Why is that a combined air and ire rune? Wait, is that how it is in the code? Combined. It is. That is crazy. It's only that one as well. All the other combines are correct. But you'll see in the spell book, so you see air. What's one that requires air and fire? There. Look, so they're both highlighted as if you have them. And if I were to cast this, so let's get it chaos. We need a staff. Wait, isn't one of the teleports? Yeah, so it requires 5 air and it still counts. This one only requires 3 air, so let's see if it goes down to 11. Okay, yeah, so it went down to 11. Just some questionable implements have the same drop as Oscaros. Gotta get that glory from DMs. Yeah, they will. So, I wasn't sure, but I swear I added. Yeah, I need a way to show the drops for like the implinks. I'll work on that to be in the hunter menu. You'll be able to click on like this, and it will oops, and it will show you the drop table. I'll look into that. Add drop table to implinks in hunter menu. But yeah, so it's pretty simple drop tables, so it's not too bad. So combination runes working, and then also including the binding necklace, created by enchanting an or necklace holding 6 encounters for rumbling. There's also a rune pouch. This is another massive one. I haven't fixed the search yet. So you should be able to. And you see it still works. It's like, it's mind-breaking, I know. Code for this was not fun to make. So we have 11 smoke, right? And then we craft this cast. And then we'll allow inventory update. Okay, so I still needed to get it to update the inventory. Then it goes down to 8 and 1. Gotta stock up on those slave points, yeah. I'm gonna figure out why. Let's find out why it's not updating. Let's see. Make it update the inventory, just to make sure it updates after it goes. Okay, cool. Still no Isaac making me a DPS. I thought you could craft it yourself, right? But yeah. So, rune pouch and combination runes. I guess without having to have the smithing level, then I think we'd need DS1, but without any Crandor, and then DS1, then yeah, but the Smith Crown, I get that, yeah. Especially all to the Iron Men that might get it. Now we're looking at the website. So there's quite a few changes to the website. Big change is we now have well, it's got light and dark mode, if you guys haven't noticed. Not a big change, but I think like nobody's really harped onto about it yet, or gone on about it much. We now have high scores when it loads. Please load. There we go. Oh, my eyes. There we go. Let's see if we can find Lejarts. What's your best skill? Where are you? Surely you're here somewhere. Or have I gone past you? Surely I haven't gone past you. Am I just blind? 99 ranged. Wait, where are you? Did you change your name or something? Oh my god. Okay, sweet. There you go. I thought you had got the Lejart's name. There you go. Ooh. Then you can go to the next character, so you might have a few. You can get your level 3. A lot of people just have like extra characters that they won't really be using. Ooh, this is a character though. That's not bad. Yeah, it's weird it didn't jump to this one. And I clicked on ranged. I'll fix that. Yes, you see the URL at the bottom, go to number 1. I'll see why that's happening. Fix high scores not going to correct character. The third one? This one? Ah, okay. And then this one, the first one's like your normal character. Okay. Maybe there'd be a better way to like select which character, and it has like a total level next to it, like a characters list almost. Could be quite nice. Yeah, not bad. I was thinking here like, wait a minute, that's not 99. Do you have any other 99s? Closest 96? Magic? Hey, but there's combination runes. Do some Slayer, some magic. Ooh. That's good, yeah. So yeah, we got. I'll maybe break these down into like little sections, right? High scores, and then other. So we got the high scores, and we can have like an image of that. Are you number 1? I mean, you can check for yourself. So you click on Ultimate Iron Man, and then you click on Ranged, and there you are. And then you can do like total level, total experience. Yeah, you're still top dog. You got Froggy on 2/3. But you can combination with all the stuff in the sidebar, which is quite nice. So you can do a skill and an account type, or a category and account type, or just overall. Or total experience and then attack. It'll null out the total experience because it'll always sort by experience. If you have like a skill. Yeah, the technology behind this was very interesting to me, and I enjoyed it. It follows a lot of the formatting of the main website, so that's quite nice. And it looks weird because this is on like a larger monitor, so it's probably gonna look like this or something. But I've got a large monitor, so it's a bit zoomed out. And it works quite well on mobile. So you just have like a little drop down. Whereas like the smoothness of the website, the old website, it was still pretty fast, but even now it's like, now it's really there. Does it work decent on a Samsung Fold? Do they have that on this? I don't know. Doesn't seem to. Like an iPad? Like a iPad Pro? That's probably fine. Yeah. So the high scores and other, so a few other changes were the. Nope, where am I going? Get out of the damn room. I need to add a better links for it. Currently it's down here. So the roadmap, when it loads in, is now like side scroll, which is kind of weird, but cool at the same time. You can see like all the history of the development roadmap, and it auto scrolls to the current one. So up next, Hunter skill. Apparently it'll be our last update before we end the MineScape beta. Those are big words. Those are big words. Oh shit. Oh shit, what have I promised? Oh no. Caught on stream, caught live on TV. Alright. And then the new music player. I think that's in the footer, which is not in this page. Yeah, I need to make a drop down of like links, so we can do that. And there's still no music link. Should just be /music. Boom. And then you'll be able to enter your username, so it looks a little bit better. And then it should. Please don't. Yeah, so then it will like load up. Ooh, that's a bit laggy. Wonder what's going on there. I'll do some debugging on this. Oh, now what the hell? Yeah, I'll do some better stuff with this. Quite nice. Anything else? Design the functionality. Yeah, so the blogs. So the blog section now like infinitely scrolls. They're more responsive, and the actual blogs are sort of better laid out and whatnot. And then yeah, it auto detects like your light and dark and system, so it's quite nice. I believe I used what did I use? It was like a baseline, but I pretty much replaced all of it. I'll have to go find it. It wasn't this. It was like a combination, but at the end of it, it looked nothing like it. So I think the only thing remaining was this dark mode stuff, because I wanted it to look like the old website with the landing page. But a lot of this is all has to be customized to how we had it previously. Always prefer dark mode, yeah, like getting blinded like this. Oh. Yeah, so we've got a quality of life, so we've cleaned up a few things. The Grand Exchange should now have a collect all button. I'll have to double check whether, I don't know if the test world has a test Grand Exchange, so I might have to test that like locally to me. The construction build mode, now this is cool. Let's go get a house. Grab. One sec. There we go. Let's go grab a house. Where is the house master? I already have one. Region spawn home sweet home. Okay, cool. So, on the construction build mode, and there we go, construction menu, all of these now have icons. This is just so much nicer. And it like, see how this is like, oh god, I need to fix like glowing stuff. When you rotate it, it should also rotate the visual. So when you like rotate it like this, it'll look like that. And all the little icons in the room should be in the correct spots. So that's quite a nice like little improvement. You can add maybe like an image here of that. Magic spells are now darkened. So if we have a look here, these are all darkened now, that you don't have the requirements for them. If you don't have the requirement for a spell, it'll be dark compared to these ones, because I have the rune pouch. And yeah, I was like, wait, where's my 3 runes? But because it's combination. You now have the option. So there's this reverse inventory. So when you pick stuff up, maybe. Oh, it was easily merged in. It'll go to the end of your inventory first. Rather than being on your hotbar and then going along the top, it'll go to the end and like do like a reverse input. So someone requested this because they didn't want to like, when they pick up things, it might like auto bury them or something. I can't. It was one of the suggestions somewhere. And then we also got Bob Barter Potion Decanting. Now this one is a bit crazy. Let's see if he's in the Grand Exchange. Where the fuck did he just go? Oh, I haven't fixed something and he TP'd away. Let's go here. I think I fixed... I didn't fix it on Patreon World, my bad. And he's gone. He like teleported away. You saw that. Items. So what do we want? Like a prayer potion? And we want like a noted prayer. So let's grab. What's the integer max stack? Integer max. And then, so this is all 3s. This is, don't be crazy. So, we do that divided by 4, divided by 3, times by 4, and then we minus the original amount. We should have like an insane amount of potions left over. So we decant all these to 4 dose. Gives us 1 remainder with like an insane amount, and then a heap of wait, is that? I'll have to double check the math on this. I'm pretty sure that's the correct amount. If you divide by 3 and times by 4, is that not right? What am I doing wrong? Oh, you times by 3. My bad. Divide by 4. Yeah, so that's the correct amount there, and then you minus the original amount, and that gives you the remainder. And then you can decant back to 3 doses. Boom. So enjoy that, if it's needed, rather than having to combine them one by one in your inventory. So we have an image for him, maybe, with the decanting service. And this can probably be moved up into like there. Although it's an interface improvement, so it can be probably left. And then sound system, and yeah, so we've made quite a few improvements to a lot of the sound audios. So like spell sounds, ambient. I forget what this one is. It's like it's just like some actions. Probably actions like a better word for that. And then combat audio feedback. So we added a bunch of new sounds in this update, and then last but not least is just the sound system overhaul and the other additions. So maybe we just change other additions into new ranged weapons, since it's the only thing that's in there. Throwing axes and darts. Let me just say something about like imps dropping. Weapon, and then we also have salamanders. I'll just say salamanders. And we'll add a section about them. So yeah. Ooh. Yeah, that is looking pretty snazzy as an update. So I'm saying, like, instead of maybe sound overhaul, it's like combination rooms. What's another like title we can do here? What do you reckon, Jarts? Like this? Hunter skill release. Like rune pouch, rune crafting. What's like a good title? I reckon we get rid of sound overhaul, because we've only made some progress on it. We haven't finished the sound overhaul. There's like in the Discord there's a channel which Chance is working on around a lot of the sounds that we can add. So we'll do a lot more later on. Rune adjustments. Magic rune. Magic runes? Magic runes? Improved magic runes and interface QOL, maybe? Oh, it's not gonna changes the URL. Something like that. Maybe we can just go to /43. Yeah, we can. No, we can't. That is a completely different one. This is 46. So even if we change the name, It's a bit of word for like improved. Enhanced. Because it goes hunter into rune crafting. I reckon enhanced better instead of improved. I like this being interface QOL instead. So it kind of goes down to like quality of life, interface and interactions. Upgraded, yeah. Enhanced, upgraded. Upgraded. What does it look like on the main page as well? Some of them go down to like 2 lines. This was an insane, like, sorry, just going a little bit of a rant. Getting these all to be the same height was so annoying. Because like, sometimes this was like 2 lines, sometimes it was like this text wasn't filling up the entire space. It almost made me go insane. Yeah, a little rant over. Upgraded, renovated. I think I like upgraded. This is combination and the rune pouch, so it's. I think I like that upgrade. Thanks for that suggestion. And then we also got like share. I don't know how many people actually use these buttons, but there's a share button. The only thing I still want from like the old one is like underneath these, it usually has like a header row. Let's see if we can do that. A H sharp. I wonder if that pulls through. Like underneath the big ones. But I kind of want to make it like automatic rather than me having to add it. Maybe at the end of segments. So you know there's like a break. You would actually click these to share it? Or the shared link. Ah, I don't have a link button. That's a good point. Like the URL, right? Is that what you mean? Or would you actually click these? Because this one's not clickable, this is just like a yes indeed. Wait, what are you saying yes to? Which one are you saying yes to? To using the actual button? Or to using the URL? The URL, okay, yeah. I'll add a... what looks better, like having this at the end of sections or underneath the title. I'll give you an example. So you got like underneath the title or above the section. If Hunter comes out, you might be streaming your grinding. Hey, I reckon underneath the title. Okay. Underneath the title. Right. So now, is there a way I can do that programmatically? Because a lot of this is controlled by like a CSS file, so I wonder if I could just like add it, you know? Like if you just do like on this, you just do like bottom, so you get rid of it. You just do like bottom, border, bottom, white, then border, bottom, width. I have to look into how to add it. It doesn't seem to want to. This should be just controlled by CSS. Maybe just do rich here. Oh, there you go. That looks kind of nice. I mean, it could just be like under the text as well. What are these different types? I don't know what the different types are. Order, style. Wait, does it not show us because this? Do a double line? Have you heard of boot.dev and you can learn how to code and such? But I've been seeing like Code Academy or boot.dev being good options for it. Well, I went through uni, so it's kind of hard. Let's turn this music down a bit. From what I heard from like those academies is not to push you towards like, you might already have like a basic understanding, but they get you to the stage of like how to code, but they don't teach you like the fundamentals of how stuff runs, if you get my drift. So yeah, a lot of people can code, so there's a lot of like data people out there, they know a lot of Python, but they don't know how it functions under the hood. So depends what you want to know. You want to know how the code you're actually running does run, There's a lot more learning to that compared to stuff like, I feel like Code Academy or Boot Dev, maybe, from what I can see. They will teach you how to code, and you'll learn how to code, and you'll be able to make things. So it's not negative. It's definitely like a skill that you can get probably relatively easily. But I'm going to tell you the difference between like university and like a full degree in it compared to like just a certificate you get from one of these code academies. So if it's just something you want to like learn and just know of and be able to tinker around with, and you know, you could also play into some of your work, then yeah, definitely go for it, because a lot of them, you want like that gamey sort of ones where they like, it's not just, oh yeah, do this course, you want one that like, there's an outcome that you can get into. Yeah, for sure, it's more like in-depth on uni, yeah, definitely. Like, I luckily already knew a lot of it going into uni, so I was able to just, those classes were easy. But you definitely, when you go through just like an academy, you won't pick up on that, that's all I'm saying. I can't not recommend it, because it's definitely a good skill. But it just depends on your sort of knowledge you're looking for. Anyways, yeah, I'll add underlined titles. Add underlined to titles on blogs. Add that to my to-do list. Alright, thanks. Yeah, no problem. It's, as you can see, it's quite fun, even just making a website. Maybe I can show you. Bit of the website. There's not much to it. Let's put this off. Studio mode, so I don't accidentally bring up something. So let's add a window capture, add a new one called VS Code. There we go. So, I mean, all this entire website is written in Markdown, which is just like a it's just made in like a text file essentially, and you just put like formatting in it, formats it nicely. But if you want to look at like a component, so this is more what you're probably looking at, right? So like the blogs like section is, you'll have all this like different code generating this HTML. So the loading state, you guys won't see that because it's a static render, but that's fine. We go away, we grab like a list of blogs, and then we render them for each. So this map is like a for each, and we create the blog card, and the blog card has like all these components and stuff on it. It's just what you can do compared to a Wix site. Like as you mentioned, it's just, there's so much more, and this is built on a framework called Next.js, and there's a bunch of stuff out there. I'll show you it really. So what I use is, look at these components. They're just all beautiful. It's just black and white, but you can control all of the CSS. So this website has, you can install all these components. So you have like an alert box. You have these cards that we have. A carousel, I think we took from here. Combo boxes. You just get an unlimited. It's just so many options. And with like this one, so there's a cool thing about this one, is you actually get the code for it. It's not like some library that you have to install every single time. In your source files is this component. So it's been really nice to work with. For sure, keep that one in mind. Yeah, there's a whole bunch of guides around like creating websites and stuff, like your own one. I've even been kind of tempted to like post the MineScape one as like, but like strip all the MineScape stuff out and make it into like a template and post that as like a, hey, this is how you create a blog website. Because there's not many out there with the style of like blogging being generated from a markdown file. But you said you have your own. You have your own website shop. Do you mind if I ask what for? Don't have to if you don't want to. It's actually for World of Warcraft RuneScape, and you're the oh shit. Oh, you got a little game corner? Hey. No. Let's see what you got. I won't bring it up on stream. Oh, you're actually selling them? You're like a collector and you gotta... Okay. You get like bargain hunting and then list them yourself. That's kinda cool. Yes. Hey, that's nice. That's a cool way to do it. That's a cool way. Yeah, I like this. I really like this. Order some, also, just order stuff from your collection, yeah. See, anything about like, what's probably good about Wix and a lot of those host ones is like Shopify and stuff, is their web store integration with payments and like all these other things are just, they're just a lot better. And a lot more robust than a lot of what you can do yourself, just like quickly throw it together. You just won't get like payments done that easily. If you have that like in your car. And then yeah, that checkout will be quite difficult. Yeah, so that's, but if you just wanted like a blog or something, or your own sort of basic website, then yeah, making your own one is a lot more fun than just drag and drop. Come on. If you're willing to go through the grinding pain that is trying to get this element correctly centered on the page, and when you go into mobile view that eventually the top panel collapses into a openable and then it is horrendous. You might have to make a dark mode for it. Hey, you might be able to do that on some of those host ones. Yeah, I like this. What's game called? Do you get a lot of traffic? Yeah, dark mode actually. I'm just feeling that on the other monitor. Like, just completely whitens my face. see if you can get a dark mode. The thing about dark mode is, where do we have it? So the cool thing about like the Next.js Tailwind, is we should show VS Code again. So we have this like dark option. So by default, the hover will be this color, but on dark mode, it'll be this color. So that's like a CSS thing. I don't even understand the full complexity of some of like CSS. It's insane. But using like a thing called Tailwind, and then that dark mode toggle, it will automatically switch for you. So it's quite nice. And this is just the about system on the main page. Where is that? Like in the about section. So all these, when you hover over it, it'll be a different color. And I've been thinking about making like a GitHub repo, or maybe like YouTube videos on how to, I don't know, on how to do it like on your own website. I wouldn't be able to help you out with any like Wix templating, but it's just better on the eyes and those dark modes. Yeah, even in the day, as you say. And then the dark mode with like, if you set it to true OLED black, which some people don't like. I don't think this is like fully black. And like the new technology, like the display technologies, it actually saves power like this, whatever. Yeah, I think this is like this black on the YouTube thing. Yeah, so I need to fix these links. I need to add a link for like music and whatnot. It needs to be in this top bar. Yeah, it's a win-win, man. But that's the blog. Yeah, thank you all for joining. We've got a zombie sub with the Prime, which is quite nice. Who else do we have show up? Yeah, we had Chris coming back, Ruby. Probably a few lurkers here and now. We had Zero hopping. You're gonna be doing the shop for almost 2 years instead of a normal job. You more into posting? What do you mean by that? More into posting? Onto Instagram and Facebook? Yeah. You could probably get like a few communities around, right, that are really interested in it. There'll definitely be some communities that be just hella into it. And then you might run out of stuff to sell. Did I leave that HR in there? I did. Oops. HR. Yeah, thanks for joining. And the feedback there, charts. Got like a new rule. I don't know where I heard it, but for like streaming, I'm just gonna click start streaming, and then after 2 minutes, I don't feel like doing it, I can always click the stop streaming button. Sometimes you'll be ready to stream, and something stops you. you know? something just stops you. But if you just click start streaming, if after 2 minutes you don't feel like it, you can always click stop. It's not that bad. I get that, yeah. Yeah, thanks for joining. We'll hopefully get this hunter out soonish. It's been a long while, but things keep coming up, you know, keep adding little small thing, bugs happening, just real life. Yeah, pick up a course, Charts. Come on, you should be smart enough. Come on, you should be smart enough. You play RuneScape. Nah, be good to pick it up, a new skill, if you're interested in it. Yeah, well, catch you in another stream. Now I gotta search for the ending song. Whose memories? And I don't know what time it is for you, Jarts, but I'll try stream at a better time. Until tomorrow, yeah. I still gotta do La Rupias with the teasing stick, which dreading getting the pathing on them to work. Ah, it's not too bad for you, okay. Might work for some people then. Oh, I got an ad break? Oh, let's snooze that. We're about to end stream. That's the complete opposite for me, it's 11:42 PM. But yeah. It's good to chat. Good to see your name again. Reckon we can stream every day? Nah, that's just crazy. Can't just start every day. See what happens. Yeah, it's been a while. Not long enough. I'm kidding. Let's get this pumping again, eh? These updates pumping out. I've always wanted to like maybe move to like smaller, like really small updates, and they just get pushed out automatically. Something I gotta look into. You've always been lurking there. You're always just watching the progress. That's good. Or like, I think it's called like rolling updates. Quite nice. But it would probably require a bit of tech behind it to get it really working well, you know? Yeah. See you next time. I can't do the piece on this side. I have to do it on this side. Does this still work?
Watercolor daydream lens. People say I'm in my head. It's like it's always summertime going on inside my mind, but happiness is not a crime. I'm in Wonderland. It's like a dream. Try to understand that I'm free in my can take away what's mine. I feel like I am on cloud